This is the large bowl cozy pre-cut batting. You get 8 pieces, so you can make 4 large bowl cozies. The instructions tell you what size fabric to cut. This is for a 15-inch square piece of fabric. You cut the fabric. It's going to be just the right size so that you can trim around the pre-cut batting, so that you can make 2 pieces for the bowl cozy. You need 2 pieces of fabric and 2 pieces of batting to make 1 bowl cozy. You're going to trim the fabric around the darts and along the curve. Do that all the way around for 2 pieces. Very easy to do with scissors or a rotary cutter. It is up to you. I found the scissors to be very easy. So you get 2 of those. Then you're going to stitch the fabric to the batting. Stitch in multiple locations to secure the batting to the fabric on both pieces. And you're going to stitch all 4 darts on both pieces. Once that's done, then you're going to stitch the 2 together. Right sides together, stitch all the way around. Make sure you leave an opening so you can turn it inside out, and also clip along the edges. Then you're going to turn it inside out. You'll have an opening that you'll need to stitch. Before you stitch it with the machine, make sure you press the bowl cozy nice and flat, and then stitch that opening closed with a top stitch. That will close that opening that you used to turn it inside out. And then once it's stitched all the way around, you are finished. Be careful when you come to the darts or pleats. There's going to be a little extra bulk there. Just sew a little bit slower at each of those darts.